Guys, I got a GMC Sonoma here. This is a 2001 with an ABS light that is sporadic. Tested quite a few things, found out it was this ABS module right here. Super simple, you just have the 3 Torx here and unplug the clip. There's a clip that plugs in right there in the bottom, those 2. He's already pulled it for me so I can show you. Yank it up. There's the old one. Again, this was a sporadic. It would come sometimes and go sometimes. We're gonna set it right back down there. We're gonna put our 2 pigtails in and we're gonna bolt it back down. Now, in order for the ECM to recognize that you made the repair, the light may not come back, but if it does, you're still gonna have to clear it. It's a CO265, you're gonna have to clear it with an OBD reader, or if you don't have one, take off your battery cables, disconnect the battery completely, touch the 2 cables together for about 30 seconds, separate, put back on the battery. Make sure they're both off the battery so you're not touching anything. And that's it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.